Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of DeepSeek on all your devices at once. First, open DeepSeek on your PC browser and log into your account. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, then select Settings from the menu. Now look at the top of the Settings window. You'll see three tabs. Click the one that says Profile. Scroll down and look for the Log Out button. When you click it, DeepSeek will log you out of your current session and also sign you out from every other device where your account is active. That means if you're logged into DeepSeek on your phone, tablet, or another computer, all of those sessions will be terminated at once. Just confirm the action and you're done. One important thing to know, this feature was added in a recent update. If you don't see the option, make sure your app or browser is updated to the latest version. A quick tip, if you suspect someone else has access to your account, use this Log Out All feature first, then change your password immediately from the same profile settings page. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.